Would you believe that there's a creature older than most empires in the world and it lives in Jordan? It's 1500 years old.
والسكان المحليين بيسموه المهراس. شو بتعرف عن المهراس؟
اللي وراي شجرة زيتون زرعها الرومان وما زال عطائها لغاية الآن.
A forgotten Roman relic not made of stone but of bark and roots. This is the story of a 1500-year-old olive tree that refuses to die. A living witness to ancient civilizations and silent stories untold. This is not just a tree, it's a legacy, and it's waiting for you to discover it.